아니 드링 당은 저 지달 소바타블나시 저 taklung matul rinpoche cho an chado la do chigi naane 당은 저라 아니 클럽 람된 당 엔디라 ngonzo dolada disungare karsa homalam jedu zambala 아니 ngonzo chidar soba tabana rinpoche pete 도서 시신랑 wala ngonzo 상매 삽슈제 아니 rinpoche la ning takbane tuchenang suyayi. Now I will say little bit in English. So as we all know, we requested Rinpoche to be here on online through the website, and Rinpoche will advise us, and to we are requested to Rinpoche, and Rinpoche also responds to us to be here with his time and everything. So on behalf of all the members, I would like to say thanks Rinpoche La for your each and everything. And then later we will pray the good wishes together with Rinpoche. So welcome to all. Thanks.
Let's say now lao Rinpoche lao changma lo test le ani lao taring te ngarang chu Rinpoche la so malam tawa na shinki tangan chu de la malam chi kut chiu yere nganzo chopeng weni talung kai ki session 6 ne antana shinki ngarang chu ya anda neyam di ki kin ki ani mi manggo chik te dong chiwa tana shinki mi manggo chanda kangni na nyang da yang shin bai gyo den chu changmi chi de nganzo ni melam chik tuk se ko di shi lao an parai an ye de French na chik chik ni chi wo samsung de la da inji mo yi de lao bonjour à tous à tous. Aujourd'hui nous allons réciter des prières pour toutes les personnes qui sont touchées par le Covid, en espérant que ces prières les aident face à cette situation qui touche de près ou de loin à tout le monde sur la terre. Alors, c'est bon, merci beaucoup. Ani la on jumbo chela on tena la.
One of association ne so ta ne ngazo ela research ya ki nyam do mo amalam te ya ki Kodina Botella, Nitu, Yatam Commerce, Ramazo Saga, the Capital Chain, the Tapini, Anichi, Churching, Dichikin, Tambu Chashi, or the Sabachongala, Chevi, not that there's something you come catch it out to you and cheese do. Kyabgon ki Kyabgon re ane daga nang shingi saja khomar re ane jikasore nanzo kalop tang ane ta tinde kachu tang tinde yue tang ane ngazo ta test chik saga da cheba chunga dang che mo wa chen pa namjang chene ta jikasore ngazo saga da we ki tuzi khabar chen ni thanda ine dawa gangzang yue bi indu Marngu ki nima trawo chikla ane ta tende senzomya ki manzo samlo khorre ane tish chisung ane tanga la ane tulche ini ane tene ngazo ta chik saga dawe ki tuze khabar chen di koran chö kewa cheya chik tang ane tende chik tang pha thun datu baji chungbi na ane tuzu khabar chen re ane daga na shingi thanda zambuling la ta nyam ki kange chimbo shibuchi kawaii ne kange ji che de gi yo cha ane tige ri thazang gi che do anzo ngwa melam chikang tenden denya ki mazo sambul chung re ta ti shisung ki ta thane ta thambo chik thasore ngo malam chinga zo tende sinyam don den chuna samre ane da tela chige gi mina mangbo shu che gi leb do ichi du yang inji gi thone ke che tsi khashi chi shu choba ji chene labya yi. So I am very happy to see all of you again, although I'm very new to Zoom, so I'm just trying to figure out how to work with it and trying to figure out, you know, how it works. So I do see a lot of people I know, but I think anyway, I'm very happy to be part of this event where we meet together and do a little bit of prayer on this very important event, an important month actually, that is going on, called Saka Dawa in Tibetan, the Saka month. It is considered to be a very important time and very important time actually for Buddhist practitioners. So I am happy that you all came and we can get together and do some prayers. So I think initially the idea was we want to meet together with a few of my Tibetan friends in Switzerland, and they requested me to come on Zoom and do some simple gatherings, something like this. And I said yes. And then later on, we tried to, we delayed it a little bit because initially we wanted to do it on 15th according to the lunar calendar. And we delayed it because His Holiness the Dalai Lama and Sakya Khoma Rinpoche and all great masters are also doing something occasionally, lucky for us all. And they were also doing on that very particular day some prayers and teaching. So we delayed it to later days of this lunar month. So here we are. And we will just do a simple prayer because the world is going through a very difficult phase. You know, we have coronavirus problem, you know, widespread across the globe. So we wanted to be part of, you know, people who are concerned about this global pandemic. There is almost nothing we can do, unfortunately, and so we wanted to do a little bit of prayer for this and bring some, you know, some force that might be the pain that everybody is going through. So with that, without further ado, we will do a little bit of prayer. Ane ta thala ngam dampa den de ya di ane ningbol khadyu she chawa ta ngam talung ka ju ke nalo ne ane chi nabi chi ta thaga nang shin chi chi la chi ne ta mangbu chi la ane tam nalam gi chu to ta chi ha pe ha du chi la so ma tam ni ani chi ne oya tang ken dang parche dang ane daga na shi ta sing ne ba ti ke cha chang pha shia ki che to sung sha de nalam chi re sha ti chi du tab de bu che khol chung ba ti stu ane ti ma tsin de ya ti in the yin shui yin. So in taklung ka yu tradition we have this particular prayer for pandemics such as this and any problem that we face as a as a human society, war and something like that, you know. So that is what we are going to do. We are going to read through the prayer. Unfortunately, we don't have it translated in different language other than Tibetan. So we, some of you who might not be able to read Tibetan might not be able to pray along with us, at least verbally. But I believe you can do it with your if you mentally visualize as we go through this prayer. I'll just try to indicate what kind of deity it is, and then you can pray with us mentally, so to speak, and that'll be enough.
Rinpoche, you're muted.
아니 가르쳐서 그게는 셰샤저디 딱딱 고소해.
This is standard is.
Now it's okay. Now it's okay. Rinpoche.
Second I choose.
Oh yeah, okay. 아니 teacher 당한저 템바 샤게 투반에 파진 고주기. So it is it starts with Buddha Shakyamuni. Sanje Chedan, Soje Chonamala, Chancho Bardo, Dane Gabso, Dage Jinso Jive, Sonamange, Dola Pencher, Sanje Drobar, Sanje Chedan, Soje Chonamala, Chancho Bardo, Dane Gabso, Dage Jinso Jive, Sonamange, Dola Pencher, Sanje Drobar, Sanje Chedan, Soje Chonamala, Chancho Bardo, Dane Gabso. Dage Jinso Jive Sonamage Drola Pencher Sanje Drola Semjen Tamje Dewa Dan Dele Gidan Temper Semjen Tamje Dumar Dan Dumar Gidan Temper Semjen Tamje Dele Dewa Tambar Dan Dewa Yuje Semjen Tamje Nire Chadan Nidan Gyurunje Semjen Tamje Dewa Dan Dele Gidan Temper Semjen Tamje Dumar Dan Dumar Gidan Temper Semjen Tamje Dumar Mepe Dewa Tambar Dan Dewa Semjen Tamje Nirin Chadan Nidan Tere Dan Yamla Nebar Gyurunje Semjen Tamje Dewa Dan Dele Gidan Temper Semjen Tamje Dumar Dan Dumar Gidan Tamje Dumye Mebe Dewa Tamba Dan Jawa Gyuje Semjen Tamje Niren Chadan Nidan Tere Dan Yamla Nebar Gyurunje Tobje Zezo Namje Tongja Ge Tuje Shenben Daje Nimen Gun Tumbo Tarje Lombo Jebe Chombe Sezan Sela Chanzen De Deyata Om Mone Mone Ma Mone Yeso Ha Deyata Om Mone Mone Ma Mone Yeso Ha Deyata Om Mone Mone Ma Mone Yeso Deyata Om Mone Mone Ma Mone Yeso Ha 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 Deyata Om Mone Mone Ma Mone Yeso Deyata Om Mone Mone Ma Mone Yeso Ha 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 Deyata Om Mone Mone Ma Mone Yeso Deyata Om Mone Mone Ma Mone Yeso Ha Deyata Om Mone Mone Ma Mone Yeso Ha Deyata Om Mone Mone Ma Mone Deya dao mone mone maha mone soha. Deya dao mone mone maha mone soha. Omo sawa tata gada mane shade deba de zala zala dharma tato gade mane mane maha mane shedaya mane soha gombo chuje tembe jelo na dushe pashe yule rabde ne donson landor zeme tache tamshe jejo nyamle je yurje tene ma namge ma resha. So the next deity we are going to do is called Namgyema, and it is also considered, she's also considered to be one of the life prolonging deity, so to speak. Kusum Palon Jason, Shashan, Tonde, Jere, Dushe, Deje, Don, Numo, Doson, Sishe, Donve, Yule, Namgel, Amo, Choland, Oma Drum Soha, Oma Amid, Ayunda de Soha, Oma Drum Soha, Oma Amid, Ayunda de Soha, Oma Drum Soha, Oma Amid, Ayunda de Soha. Om Drumuso, Om Amida Ayunda Deso, 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 Om Drumuso, Om Amida Ayunda Deso. Om Drumuso, Mamida Yunda Deso, 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 Om Drumuso. Mamida Yunda Deso, Om Drumuso, Mamida Yunda Deso, Om Drumuso, Mamida Yunda Deso, Om Drumuso, Mamida Yunda Deso. Om Drumuso, Mamida Yunda Deso, Om Drumuso, Mamida Yunda Deso, Om Drumuso, Mamida Yunda Deso, Ha. Korve Dunge, Tuna, Chinye, Tan, Cheja, Jige, Dimi, Chewa, Son, Lason, Pache, Meten, Chole, Talan, Dewa, Ngome, Che. Ane, Nazul Hakbelha, Sumbadi, Dugar Resha, Chomdente, Dugarbo. Ane, teacher. So the next deity we are gonna do the sadhana of is called Dukar. Tenda Bumcha Gebe, Bayu, Chidon, Chedu, Sembe, Zedo, Lan, Jandara, Mise, Jawa, Shajeto, Tudor, Legion, Dukar, Amor, Omosita, Tabaje, Abaranzita. Abaranzite Sarva Jahana Trasaya Hana Drum Hum Pepe So Omosida Dabaja Abaranzite Sarva Jahana Trasaya Hana Drum Hum Pepe So Omosida Dabaja Abaranzite Savandana Trasaya Hana Drum Hum Pepe So Omosida Dabaje Abaranzite Savandana Trasaya Hana Drum Hum Pepe Omosida Dabaje Abaranzite Savandana Trasaya Hana Drum Hum Pepe So Ha Chidara Kye Semje Tamche La Tuje Choge Rote Nyesone Sesumanchi Kwa Chele Dragir Renga Chindo Kye Gele Tene Ti Jema Ti Chomden de Dorji Shunu Purbaredu. So the next one is Vajra Kilaya. Major German, Tishin Yin, Tishin, Tundrum, Parve, Kurushan, Chumden, Persian, Branzer, Kila, Tingoral Hazon, Namla, Shansen, Ombe Zakili Kilaya saw Began and Bamu home there, Zakili Kilaya saw Began and Bamu home there, Zakili Kilaya saw Began and Bamu home there, Zakili. Azawa Begane Bamu, Bear, Zakili saw Began and 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 Bamu. Zakili saw Began and Bamu, Bear, 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 Zakili saw Began and Bamu. Zakili saw Began and Bamu, Bear, Zakili saw Began and Bamu, Bear, Zakili saw Began and Bamu, Bear. Neden Baje Jijen, Sesuye, Sesu Wande, Longchen, Tamse, Chaka, Purka, Tamche, Chendo, Tashi, Dele, Jungwan, Sedo, Su. Ani, Pakha, Di Jema, Tang, Shivanga, Chaswan, Tini, Tandi Resha. So the next deity we're gonna pray is Hayagriva. Sungi ngada tuje terchembo shile chobora nawe tuso je denge lonjen sasu tome ba choje wanjen tage shela omoje pementa jeda benza joda hayange wa hulu hum pe omoje pementa jeda benza goda hayange wa hulu hum Omaje Bemenda Jeda Benzagoda Hayangewa Hulu Humpe, Omaje Bemenda Jeda Benzagoda Hayangewa Hulu Humpe, Omaje Bemenda Jeda Benzagoda Hayangewa Hulu Hum, Omaje Bemenda Jeda Benzagoda Hayangewa Hulu Humpe, Omaje Bemenda Jeda Benzagoda Hayangewa Hulu Humpe, Omaje Bemenda Jeda Benzagoda Hayangewa Hulu Hum. Omaje Bemenda Jeda Benzagoda Hayangewa Hulu Humpe Nidhi Randan Chuge Gyalgondang Tamse Jumbo Nere Gagyezo Tamche Jula Pache Chinyegan Toje Dorje Zene Shambanzu Tene Nazo Tijela Habela Tuban Jambe Naporetu. So the next deity is called Jambe Napo. Jegun Kuye Danye Shinje Sheda Jeba Jomze Hero Chajen Dante Roje Bode Jambe Napo Kola Janze Yamentaka Kala Ruba Humpe, Yamentaka Kala Ruba Humpe, Yamentaka Kala Ruba Humpe, Yamentaka Kala Ruba Yamentaka Kala Ruba Humpe, 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 Yamentaka Kala Ruba Oma Yamenda Gakala Ruba Humpe Nigde Dayama Jigan Chabardo Nyalon Jume Kasera Mariamason Nerea Malia Chupe Manso Shishan Sheravanamba Geguru Chik Aniti Jela Nazo Guru Taporetu. So the next is Guru Tapo. Padum Chederangar, Chendondo, Trebe Nyamji, Yangong Tamsiri, Jeme Sasu, Chatung, Amjeg, Peshan Doje, Trole Nilang, Omo Aon, Benzanguru Doje Chole Loka Sawase de Omo Ahum Benzanguru Doje Chole Loka Sawase de Omo Ahum Benzanguru Doje Chole Loka Sawase de Omo 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 Benzanguru Doje Chole Loka Sawase Omo Benzanguru Doje Chole Loka Sawase de 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 Omo Benzanguru Doje Chole Loka Sawase Omo Benzanguru Doje Chole Loka Sawase de Omo Benzanguru Doje Chole Loka Sawase de Hong Chöden Druben Nenjoran Dajan Gejin Kunshel Hasen Jendong Sesue Rajel Lenyen Zenen Katan Kamla Minden Nashowadel Lamse Kyabgon Tanye Mabon Sujen Jadan Sume Lamjenge Chetre Chigan Tujon Dojeme Keche Miya Meja Labarje Hore Shevur Kodon Nyese Dime Ube Pashe Kunshe De Ranje Chale Shukura Sanjene Drogen Sinso De Drumudu Kebara Muge Lapsun Tache Kyoden Saraba Kundu Zine Shen Cheko Kanyama Semje Malugun Tunye Kundu Doje Chanto Sho Tene Konsa Chogi 다 뒤에 뒤수 다들 드라마디 야고 진행고 레스체네 내암기 뒤즈딜라 드라마 되냐디 간 양이 양도 패요래 그래서 드라마 디버치 디버치요래 다팅아서 다네 테스트 되냐체 아니 티네 드라마기 생아데 때체 사야 이스 Omojezema Pamadrema Cha Selo Chanzedrema Dareba Mo Dara Injigan Sema Daredana Tamjetarema Soa Yigejula Ramde Omojezema Pamadrema Cha Chanzedrema Dareba Mo Dara Injigan Sema Daredana Tamjetarema Soa Yigejula Ramde Omojezema Pamadrema Cha Selo Chanzedrema Dareba Mo Dara Injigan Sema Daredana Tamjetarema Soa Yigejula Chanza Drama Dareba Mo Dara Injigan Sema Daredana Tamjetarema Soa Yigejula Ramde Omojezema Pamadrema Cha Selo Chanza Drama Dareba Mo Dara Injigan Sema Daredana Tamjetarema Soa Yigejula Ramde Om Dare Do Dare Dore So Dare Dore So Om Dare 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 So Om Kenje Mago Kundo Garzo San Jeje Ula Yen Tuje Chenjen Dola Se Jenre Sila Cha Se Lo Oma Nepe Me Oma Name tiki kenche neta mi kende so somba tiki changbor chenpo shivuchire zambolin ke nalo la kawa khasare gyaga kyangya mare ane kawa khasar yobi inza ane tiki di chazang ki che to ane nga zuta tanda kondo mane chik changbare ane taga nanshingi yang chik nga zo ngosar sangin do du chik dewa chen tiki malam seneta ngosar sangi chik nga zo denya yis Shit. So we have already recite the mantra of Avalokiteshvara, Cheresik, and we are also gonna do a little bit of prayers for the one who has deceased due to the pandemic world over. It is not limited to India alone. And I believe many people have lost their loved ones across the globe. So we are gonna do a little bit of prayer so that these individuals who have passed away due to Corona virus, victim to this virus, will eventually get a better rebirth, or better yet, be born in Amitayu's land. So we are gonna do this prayer. Probably some of you might have the prayer in with the transliteration. If you have that, please read that, and if you don't have it, just pray along with us. That'll be okay. Emma ho ngozara sangye nawan daye da yesun jogon tuje chenpo da yendo samba tuje don namla sangye chansen pame korye Deje ngozara bado me ba ye dewa chenje chawe shinkam tere da shen dene tsebe gyurman da gewa shenje kwanman chebo Tero jene nande shadon shon digen dage mana tabaye Shokjo sanje chansen tamje je gemen drupara chinje lomdos Kaya da pinza je awan bota na yeso At the end, we'll do a little bit of dedication so that the merit we have accumulated will help everybody obtain enlightenment eventually. And also Thama Delata, Jugmo Malamgi game Guya Insan, also Malam to is. Sume Gaju, Renchen, Namjin, Jawa, Teson, Tambe, Pabe, Gende, Yetam, Shejong, Memba, Shishin, Jube, Jose, Namge, Tade, Dage, Pamara, Jube, Semchen, Mekon, Yamen, Nele, Yongen, Enjura, Mili, Renchen, Top. Person Norgi Sube, Gevesh, Tension, Teson, Tamshu, Yambala, Nelo, Chema, Jendo, Major, Tension, Gevesh, DJ Meta, Jose, Meta, Lover Zella, Jedem, Nebeno, Chijan, Doba, Nebe, Logen, Zichi, Simje, Tamshu, Chebra, Nebara, Shela, Nebara, Domba, Gevesh, Namadebe, Sujin. Senjin Dinge Penrava Cheba De Tejen Sodara Chimla Neva Mba Semje Jobe Sanje Den Juba Senje Tenye Joje Lam Hara Chimba Chula Laba De Chansen Domba Chola Neva Jeren Layen Holo Yonse Jen Zobe Renbe Tenzen Namtaba Tamse Bunge Nale Meta Sama Same Namcho Tarjin Senzen Tobe Jiye Made Jen Namta Semye Ose Chaya She Ramba Deme Shitan Jejone Dede Namla Kenden Cheje Cheje Jabo Bande Talon De Temba Dajen Teye Jomo So Talbe Langkwen Lebara Joche Kamsung Jova Jube Chebor Shyam Lamananda Tudo Je Langa Sajo Hoban Tashen Kushe Yeshe Ngayen Doje Shange Koban Yuto Sho Tene Thale Ngazo Da Chik Sururu Chene Mulam Kyabyaki Da Chik Zerim Dikshawa Senemidu Da Ti Nalola Ani Zerim Tikba Shisungi Ngazo Mulam Chik Den Ani Tendiji Chikyu Chungre Ani Tichi Du Tsangmala Tuji Ches Chen Shuayi I would like to thank all of you, whoever came to participate and, be part of this event. I'm very happy that everybody could come and pray together. I think the prayers alone are not enough, but we have at least did something that we could do. 아니 간저 시제 톤의 제비는 당한주 직 내염기 뒤주직 인전 조디게 여비는 네 대바 많이 봤다 간지 지여비네 차장 직규르기 강의 최신벌 직벌에 마도 아니 간다는 전부링이 사조 가와 여비네 강의 최다 최신벌에 아니 진짜 인비 차장기 다 배직 몰람 잡고야 땅 이네 소소기 직 지속의 나로는 개인키네 아니 카레 그런 거야래 아니 락바드 조직 장만야 거야래 아니 다가는 신기 카리 임비네 소소 섭섭 제거야디 소소기 응기 친구 시우지 차려래 아니 소소 나와 냠도 양미 현다 난조야 년가 친구 지역이다 소소라 섭섭 제비나 아니 미션다 차장라 아니 지 펜심 기토네 아니 지금 미션다 차상을 팬도 제가 능신기 내당 텐디지 유무이니까 아니 소소 가두이네 이게 감배낭로라 가지투도 기대 투야 아니 최계와 가지이네 제투야 아니 기면 좀더 제 투야 이제 돌아 아니 배전나야 돼 개심으로 해도 so as a reminder due to the fact that everybody is here, I just wanted to say a few things about how you can collectively try to, get rid of this pandemic that we are in. And first and foremost, I think it is very important to wear our masks and wash our hands whenever it is possible, and that we don't get a virus. As a result of which, you also protect those loved ones around you who might also contrive the virus if you catch one. So it is very important to be careful, and it is very important to, I think, stay safe and do whatever you can to take those what they call it, the measures that are actually helpful to combating this pandemic collectively. I think as a global citizen, we also, each and every one, we have also a very important task, so to speak. We have responsibilities. Please do whatever you can to not get this virus, whatever helps. So that is my request to all of you who came here. And that is about it. So thank you very much, and I hope to see you all soon in the future. Take care.
Yeah, take care, Rinpoche.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rinpoche.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So much, Guru.
Thank you so much, Rinpoche. Good setting, Rinpoche. Have a long life.
Long life, Rinpoche.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rinpoche. Thank you. Good to see you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rinpoche.
Soon, Rinpoche.
Thank you, Rinpoche.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.